Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make Taalel Luchi, that is palm fruit puri. It is recommended to make this recipe particularly in the season when ripe palm is available in the market. It is a must-try recipe for all my viewers. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, peel off the black skin of ripe taal and separate 3 parts of it. Now extract the juice of the taal by scrubbing on wire mesh like this. You can use this type of grater also to extract the juice. Now add 1 teaspoon of lime to reduce the bitterness of the juice. Keep it aside for 2 hours. After that, the soft lime becomes as hard as stone. Discard it from the juice. Take the juice in a karai and cook over low flame for half an hour until it becomes thick. During cooking, keep on stirring so that it does not stick to the bottom of the karai. Then keep aside for cooling. Now take 2 cups of maida in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of ghee, 1 teaspoon of white oil, and mix them thoroughly. Now add palm juice as required to make a soft dough. Keep aside for 10 minutes. Let's make small balls out of it. Like this. Now roll each small ball to make it approximately 5-inch diameter. Let's pour 1 cup of white oil in a small karai. When it is sufficiently hot, make the flame medium. Fry the luchis or puris one by one. Now it is ready to serve. It is best served with taler kheer. It is usually served hot. If you enjoy the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel Recipes Old and New. Press the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Write your comments in the comment box. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.